The rolling fields of Gettysburg are not just soil and grass. They are living testaments to our American history. If you listen, you can hear the quiet whispers of history. The echoes of valor from those who fought bravely for freedom, for unity, for America. Today, these sacred grounds face a new foe. Developers seek to replace our past with warehouses, strip malls, and highways, erasing the very land upon which our nation was forged. Yet we cannot allow our history to be paved over and forgotten. As we mark the 250th anniversary of our nation's founding and the anniversary of Lincoln's Gettysburg Address, join us in the fight to preserve American battlefields, for Gettysburg, for America, forever.